Here we have a 2021 XL883N Sportster Iron in black denim with a few extras. Does have a tank lift equipped with it. Give you a little more clearance, show off that Evolution engine. Moving down to the Evolution engine, 883 cc's. A lot of low end torque and power. Does have an aftermarket high flow air cleaner, paired with a TBar 2-in-1 exhaust, Two Brothers Racing. Stage 1 really wakes up that engine. Equipped with mid-mount controls. Does have a drag Specialties low profile diamond stitch seat. And progressive shocks in the rear. Preload adjustable, dial them in for your preferred riding style. In the rear we have bullet turn signals, LED lighting, aftermarket Harley-Davidson derby cover, that iconic peanut tank, center fill gas cap, flush mount from Harley-Davidson. And we also have the ignition relocated. On the odometer, we're looking at 4,929 miles. Does have a pair of aftermarket bars with aftermarket grips, as well as a little windshield in the front, kind of provides some wind protection. LED lighting in the front. Have that contrast cut 19-inch 9-spoke wheel in the front. Chop fender to show it off. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.